What's going on, y'all? I forgot to record a video. Actually, I accidentally deleted the video of me installing the battery, but I'm gonna make another one. I went up to Nissan. I bought the battery from Nissan. I got a little discount on it. Out the door, I paid like $290. That was with the taxes and everything included. The original price was $300 plus taxes, so it would have been like $320 something out the door. But yeah, so I got the new battery in. So this battery here, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, it got the 24-month free replacement. As you can see right there, 24-month free replacement and the 84-month limited. So with that, this also is a December battery, 2023. But with that warranty, so here's how it is. If your battery go out within the 2 years, Nissan replace it for free. With the 84-month limited warranty that it comes with, say 33 months or 3 years after, or 2.5 years after, your battery dies. At 33 months, Nissan pays 75% of the battery replacement, and you pay the other 25%. As time go on, Nissan pays, if it's like what, 3.5 years or something like that, Nissan pays 50, you pay 50. Then if it's 4 years, the battery's still lasting, or it needs to be replaced, Nissan pays 25% and you pay 75% type of deal. So actually the warranty is pretty good. So that's why I went on ahead and went with Nissan battery. The price is a little hefty. I mean, you can go to other places, AutoZone, Sam's Club, anywhere else to find a new battery for, but I did just end up going with Nissan because it's a lot easier to find Nissan dealership than it is to find other places sometimes, depending on where you're at. So pretty much how you replace this battery, pretty much these bolts right here, they're 10mm bolts. I mean nuts, 10mm nuts. You got that there. And if yours have this cover right here, it's an easy pull up. See if I can get that on. You just pick it up on the side here and just pop it off, and it'll come on. So that way you can take your stuff off. So next thing you want to do, next thing you got, once you get those unhooked, your 10mm nuts, you got one right down here. That one right down there. That is the bracket that is holding, that's the bracket that's holding the battery together where it won't rock or anything like that. After you take these off, you take your cover here off, and then it'll expose that bolt. That bolt down there is a 13mm bolt. So you can take that off. You can get your battery out. It's quick, simple, easy. Save yourself some cash. Instead of having to get it installed by somebody, you can do it yourself. You just follow the same steps. Put your battery back in. Let's put it like this. Put your battery in. Put it in position. Put your bolt back in down there. Once you're done with that, then once you got the battery in place, you put your cover here back on. Then after that, you start putting your connectors on. Make sure everything tighten up. Like I said, they're 10mm nuts, 13mm bolt down there. Then once you're done with everything else, you just put everything back in place, clamp it in place, make sure it's clamped in place like that for you, clamp it back on, and boom, you are done completely. Then clap it back up, put everything back together. So I hope that helped y'all. I hope that worked out. I'll tell y'all a little bit about the Nissan battery. The warranty is actually good on it. So you make your choice of whatever battery you want. This is what I chose. So other than that, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.